A great idea is only the starting point for a successful startup. To bring that idea to life and turn it into a viable business, you need a clear and structured strategy. The business model canvas is the perfect tool for this. In this lesson, we'll look at how you can use it to define and refine your tech startup's foundation. The business model canvas is a simple yet powerful one-page visual framework. It breaks down your business into 9 core components, giving you a bird's-eye view of how everything fits together. It helps you align your team, test your assumptions, and stay focused on what truly matters. Let's begin with your value proposition. This is the core of your business. What makes your product or service valuable? What problem are you solving? What's unique about your solution? A strong value proposition is focused, compelling, and based on real user needs. Next, identify your customer segments. These are the groups of people or organizations you're aiming to serve. Understanding who your customers are helps you tailor your product, messaging, and sales strategies. Startups often target niche markets to gain traction before expanding. Your channels describe how you will reach and deliver value to your customers. Are you using a website, mobile app, email marketing, social media, or a combination? Think about where your audience spends time and how they prefer to engage. Customer relationships define how you'll interact with your users. Will your support be self-serve or hands-on? Do you rely on automation or do you offer personal onboarding and guidance? Building strong relationships boosts customer loyalty and satisfaction. Revenue streams explain how your startup earns money. This could be through subscriptions, one-time purchases, freemium models, licensing, or commissions. Your revenue strategy should match your audience's behavior and align with the value you provide. On the operational side, start with key activities. These are the essential tasks your team must perform to deliver on your value proposition. For a tech startup, this might include product development, user research, content creation, or maintaining infrastructure. Key resources are the people, systems, and assets your business depends on. This could include your development team, servers, proprietary technology, or even your brand reputation. Identifying key resources helps you plan for growth and manage risks. Key partnerships are external organizations that help you operate efficiently. These might include cloud providers, payment processors, marketing agencies, or strategic alliances. For startups, partnerships can offer speed, cost savings, or access to new customers. Finally, outline your cost structure. What are your biggest expenses? These might include salaries, hosting fees, marketing costs, and legal services. Understanding your costs is critical to managing cash flow and setting sustainable pricing. The business model canvas isn't a one-time exercise. It's a living document. Revisit and revise it as you gather feedback, test ideas, and learn from your customers. Use it to guide your decisions, stay aligned as a team, and communicate your vision clearly to investors or advisors. For tech startups, speed and clarity are everything. The business model canvas gives you both. It cuts through complexity and puts your business on a single page so you can act with focus and purpose. Let's build your canvas and bring your business model into sharp focus.